Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. I appreciate you stopping back by. This is the 500 subscriber giveaway reveal. I want to first say thanks to everybody who watched the video, left a comment for me. You guys know how much I appreciate you watching my videos. Really quickly, before I hit the random winner generator, I'm just about 3 weeks now from starting to grow the beard back. I'm really looking forward to it. Again, we're going to have a bit of a collaboration going on the regrowth and what we're going through, and hopefully do some live streams and things like that. More to that, more of that here in the next couple of weeks. Sorry, I'm a day late getting this video out. I had meant to let it run for 2 weeks until Friday yesterday, but just got slammed with stuff. And crazy enough, man, allergies are killing me. You think allergies are a spring thing, but the fall allergies are kicking my butt. But thanks again. So let's start the random winner generator here. Drum roll, please. All right. And the winner is Backpacking Wilderness Adventures. So Backpacking Wilderness Adventures, congratulations on the win. You can shoot me your shipping information. You can either send a DM on Instagram or you can email it to me at sophisticatedneanderthal@gmail.com. Sophisticatedneanderthal@gmail.com. Guys, that's it for this video. I appreciate it again. I also want to let you guys know that once I start growing it back, I'm going to start doing a weekly giveaway to show my thanks to you guys who support me and the channel and all the other guys making videos here on YouTube about beards and things like that. Thanks, guys. Much appreciated. As always, see you in the next one.